my beautiful lovelies, it's Emmy. Welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by GlassesUSA.com, where you can find affordably priced prescription glasses delivered right to your doorstep. You can choose from over 4,000 different styles of name brand and in-house styles, and I use the virtual mirror tool that allowed me to actually try on the glasses. The lenses are of high quality. You can even order special lenses, including transitions or bifocals or progressives, and then they were sent right to my doorstep. Super easy and convenient. A complete pair of glasses, including prescription lenses and frames, start at $30, and all frames include a basic prescription lens. Click the link down below to receive a special offer, and big thanks to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring this video. Now today, I'm going to be making takoyaki. Takoyaki, which are octopus balls, but I'm gonna make some big octopus balls. Okay, maybe not that big, but maybe like this big, like baseball size takoyaki. Nah, using this little tool right here. And this is a Mega Takoyaki maker. And I ordered this on eBay from Japan, and I spent about $50 on this, so I'm really hoping it works. So this is the machine, and it makes 2 giant sized takoyaki. So takoyaki, as I mentioned, are octopus balls, but essentially what they are a savory pancake batter that has all kinds of additions on top and inside the ball, including a piece of taco or octopus. So today I'm going to show you the taco version, and I'm also going to show you other options you can use if you don't have octopus or you don't like it or yada yada yada. So this is not the first time I've made takoyaki. I made it once before in a baby cake pop maker. It was a little bit of a hack, and it worked out pretty well. The recipe I used was the cooking with dog one, which is an excellent one, but today I'm going to be using this, and this is an instant mix. It says takoyaki flour. So on the side here, it gives you suggestions of other fillings that you can use if you're not interested in using taco or you can't find it, including shrimp, cheese, sausage, mochi, edamame, kimchi, corn, jalapeno. A little background about takoyaki. It's believed that it originated in Osaka, which is south of Tokyo, and it's considered kind of southern Japan. It's a street food that's very popular. You'll see it at festivals. Also, people make it at home. They'll have a little takoyaki maker, and it takes a little while to make them, so people will drink beer and chit chat, have snacks while making the takoyaki. It's a really fun process. It's kind of like when you have shabu shabu, or if you have hot pot, everyone's cooking their food together around the table, so it's a really kind of communal little event. It's super fun. I'm gonna make the Mega version using the Mega pan, and I'm also gonna compare it using this. And this is my able skewer pan, and this is what I use to make my pancake balls. If you haven't seen that video, I'll direct you to the link above, but I believe this will make takoyaki as well. The holes are a little bit larger, so these are pretty big for takoyaki, but the concept is the same. You've got a half hemisphere here, nice heavy cast iron pan, so it's gonna work. Let's unbox the Mega Maker. And alrighty, so there it is. Very simple machine here. It just has an on-off switch. So the instructions say to let this preheat for about 3 minutes before we start cooking in it. So while that's preheating, let's go ahead and make our batter. 4 ounces of my takoyaki flour, a couple of eggs, 12 ounces of water. Alrighty, there's our batter. Couldn't be any easier than that. Now I'm going to use a little bit of oil and brush the insides of the wells here. Now the build quality, I have to say, is pretty light. This outside is just plastic, but it seems to be heating up sufficiently. Now we're gonna add our batter to the well. Nice sizzle. Fill both of those. It's quite a bit of batter. That was about 1.5 cups. All right, so now it's important not to touch this for a little bit. What we want to happen is a nice little crust to form, and we're gonna slowly turn this a quarter turn to create our sphere. I'm gonna set that aside for a moment. For the able skewer pan, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna oil the wells here. Now, I'm gonna fill the wells. Good, nice sizzle. Starting to set up just around the edges here. See that? So while we're waiting for the takoyaki to cook, let me try on a few glasses and let me know what you think are the best pair. Now this is a new pair. What do you think about these? I quite like these. I like little metal on the top. What about these? These are so fabulous. Finally, another pair of prescription glasses. Ta-da! So now we're gonna add our taco, which is our octopus. Now, if you can't find octopus, you can substitute whatever you like. You can add shrimp, you can add cheese, you can put mochi, which are little rice cake, green onions, shoga, which is some pickled ginger. I'm gonna give these a little push. See that? Oh, I love that! So satisfying. Now we can add a little bit more batter. Those are looking beautiful. All right, let's see how the big guy's doing. Awesome. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that golden browning. Ah, I love it when these things work. Okay, okay. Oh, I think I just got takoyaki batter on my forehead. All right, let's give this another push. Okay. Alrighty, so the takoyaki is ready. The mega ones are ready. It actually didn't take as long as I had thought. In the directions, it said it would take about 8 minutes, about 10 or 12. The small ones, of course, were done much, much faster. Let's go ahead and serve them up. So I'm gonna turn this off. Oops, come back here. Come back here. I don't wanna break it. Oh. Now we're gonna take some takoyaki or bulldog sauce. Squirt that right on top. That's essential, in my opinion. Mayo. Oh, this looks so good. Then a healthy topping of green onions. Oh, this is so beautiful. Lastly, we're gonna put katsuobushi, which is shaved bonito flakes, which is a shaved smoked fish. Essential, in my opinion. And they dance because of the convection. Oh, yes. Here are my mega takoyaki. Aren't they beautiful? They're huge. Whoops. And they smell absolutely delicious. Itadakimasu. Mmm. That is delicious. If you've never had takoyaki before, it's a delicious combination of flavors and textures. It's a little bit custardy, soft and tender, and full of wonderful complex flavors. You've got that bright green onion. You've got the condiments on top that add a little bit of vinegar flavor, the mayo, which adds some richness. Then you've got flavors of the ocean. You've got that smoky katsuobushi, which is that shaved bonito on top. Absolutely delicious. Let's see if I can get some taco in this bite. Mmm. That bite was filled with shoga, which is that pickled ginger, which has kind of a bright, lemony, gingery flavor to it. So stinking good. Here's a little piece of octopus or taco. Delicious, tender with a little bit of a bite, taste of the ocean, absolutely delightful. So that was a giant one, which was a little bit difficult to eat. Let's try these ones that we made in our able skewer pan that are a little bit more traditional in size. These are still slightly larger than the original, but much more manageable than the mega. All right, here we go. A wonderful big bite of delectable complexity. Absolutely marvelous. The green onions are fresh. You've got the smoky bonito. You look at that and you say, oh my goodness, there's a lot of mayo all over that. Yes, indeed, there is, and there's a reason. Just think of potato salad. There's so much mayo in potato salad, and potato salad's delicious because mayo's in it, right? Yes. Egg salad. That was the Mega Takoyaki maker, and it worked famously. I was surprised. I was a little skeptical because, like I said, the build quality was kind of but it worked great. Head over to my social media to see how you can win one of these, and you can make yourself some mega giant takoyaki balls. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and big thanks to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring this video. Click the link down below to receive a special offer on your next pair of prescription glasses. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I hope you guys learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media, like, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo, take care, bye! Look, it's a takoyaki snowman!